In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the paywall page in Circle.so. Whether you're new to Circle or have been using it for some time, personalizing your paywall can enhance your community's engagement and subscription process. Let's dive right in and guide you through each step of this customization journey. To get started, you'll want to log into your Circle.so account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the name of your community. Click on this drop-down menu, which will give you access to various settings and management functions. This is your gateway to where you'll find the options to customize several aspects of your community, including the paywall. Next, from the drop-down menu, find and select Paywalls. This section houses all the information and settings related to the paywalls you've set up within your community. Paywalls are essential tools in managing who gets access to different parts of your community, allowing you to create exclusive content or perks for paying members. Once you're in the Paywalls section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the list of available paywalls. You need to identify which paywall you want to edit. This could be a paywall that's currently active, or perhaps one that you're preparing to launch. Scan the list carefully to ensure you select the correct one. It's important to keep your community's paywall strategy aligned with your membership goals. Now that you've chosen your paywall, move your cursor over it and you'll see a More Actions icon appear. This typically looks like 3 dots arranged vertically or horizontally. Click on it and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit. This action will take you to the customization interface where you can modify the content and layout of your paywall. In the editing interface, you'll have the chance to tailor the paywall content to your liking. Use this space to craft a compelling message that not only explains the benefits your members gain by subscribing, but also strengthens your brand's voice and promise. Consider including attractive visual elements, persuasive calls to action, or any specific discounts or offers. Keep your audience in mind and ensure the content resonates with them and meets their needs. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, it's important not to forget to save them. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the page or the top right corner, and give it a click to secure all the customizations you've put so much effort into creating. This will ensure that all your updates are live and visible to your community members. So that wraps up our step-by-step guide on customizing your Circle.so paywall page. By tailoring this page to your community's specific needs, you can better control access, enhance engagement, and even boost your membership numbers. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing.